So hello everyone, good evening. My name is Joshit Singh and welcome to Gradeup India's largest live learning platform. I welcome you all in this session of Bitumen Mix Design. So guys, how are you all? And am I audible and visible to you all? Kindly please tell me that. Am I audible and visible? Can you please quickly let me know that? Alright, so in today's session we are going to discuss about the Bitumen Mix Design questions. Okay, so basically this chapter is highway material, the third chapter of your class of your subject. Alright, so we'll just wait for a few seconds, let everyone join the stream. Alright, good evening Aman, hi Elizabeth, how are you? And Fatima, how are you guys? Everyone is doing fine? Full power? Okay, hi Manisha and Vasu, how are you all? Fine? Perfect. So let's begin the session without any further delay. So guys, I'll quickly introduce myself. So guys, my name is Joshit Singh. I have 3 years of teaching experience. I am MTech from IIT Roorkee. Specialization is in hydraulic engineering and GATE multiple times qualified. Area of expertise are transportation, fluid mechanics, irrigation and environmental engineering. Okay, hi Mayank, Gaurav, kaise hai aap sab log? Hi Noman. How are you guys? Everybody, please quickly tell me, are you fine? And if you are ready for the session, can I have a quick heart sign in the comment box, everybody? Hi Evangeline, how are you? Agilin, I'm really sorry, I'm really bad with the pronunciations. Okay, perfect. So let's begin this session. So guys, first of all, let me give you a quick summary of the whole thing, this Bitumen Mix Design. So here you firstly see this particular thing which is known as theoretical specific gravity. So this is the specific gravity of the whole bitumen mix, which comprise of the binder, the coarse aggregate, the fine aggregate, the filler, right? So specific gravity, this theoretical specific gravity can be given by this formula which goes something like this: 100 upon W1 percentage by G1 plus W2 percentage by G2 plus W3 percentage by G3 plus WB percent by GB. Now the question arises, why we call it theoretical specific gravity? We call it theoretical specific gravity because we do not consider the air voids while calculating this particular specific gravity, and it is not at all possible practically that there is no void in the mix, right? So that is why it is known as theoretically, because practically it is not possible. Then we see this percentage void in mix, right? Let me just wear this. Cool. Abhi better ya pehle better? Chalo. Percentage void in mix, let's see that. So the percentage volume of voids is what? Nothing but volume of voids divided by the total volume of the mix, and this is going to give you the percentage volume of void. Simple as that. Acha. Percentage volume of void can also be given as GT minus GM upon GT, where GM is the bulk or mass specific gravity. Bulk or mass specific gravity. Alright. Then there is one more thing known as VMA. What is this? VMA, guys, it is the voids in mineral aggregate. So basically the total number of voids in particular mix is your VMA. Okay, yes Ragini, I'm fine, thank you so much. Hi Ganesh and hi Amir, kaise aap log? So percent VMA means, just imagine guys, there is a hotel. In hotel there are 50 rooms, right? Out of 50 rooms, in 30 rooms there are some people and 20 rooms there is no one. Out of 50 rooms, in 30 rooms there are some people staying, and in 20 rooms there is no one, right? So this total number of room, which is 50, is actually VMA. Okay, so number of empty rooms will be your percentage volume of voids plus percentage volume of bitumen, because this bitumen, where it is going to stay, where it is going to penetrate, it is going to penetrate and get stored in the voids only, right? So the total number of voids in the mineral aggregate basically is your VMA, volume, percentage volume of voids in mineral aggregate. Idea lag gaya? Got this idea? Got this idea, everybody? Okay. Okay. Now the next thing is if you want to get the value of percentage VB, so that is WB by total weight of bitumen into divided by total weight, GM over GB into 100, right? This is giving you the value of percentage volume of bitumen. That's it. Now percentage voids filled with bitumen. Now out of total voids, how many of them are filled with bitumen? That percentage, if you want to get, that is VFB. So what were the total number of voids that we had? Total number of voids that we had, guys, quickly please tell me. Total number of voids that I had was VV plus VP, right? Sahi baat hai. In one hotel, total number of rooms were 50. So this is 50. And now, in how many rooms people were staying? I said 30, for example. So here I am saying that volume of bitumen, percent volume of bitumen, basically divide by total volume of the voids is going to give you the value of the VFB, voids filled with bitumen. Set scene. Sir, namaste. मुझे सब्जेक्ट वाइज कोर्स करना है ग्रेड अप। गौरव आप देख सकते हैं वहां पे कुछ कोर्सेज अभी ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं, सर्वे चल रहा है, जैसे एक आधा और चल रहा है, आप चेक कर लीजिए प्लीज, आप ले सकते हैं। क्लियर एवरीबडी? यस सिमरन, गुड, क्लियर। एनी डाउट्स एनीबडी? परफेक्ट, सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर। चलो, सो आई थिंक अभी वी कैन सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? या उससे पहले वन मोर थिंग आई हैव टू डिस्कस इज सम इंपॉर्टेंट ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, राइट? सम इंपॉर्टेंट ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। तो पहला ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज बिटवीन द मार्शल स्टेबिलिटी नंबर वर्सेस बिटुमेन। तो व्हाट इज बेसिकली क्या है? व्हाट इज मार्शल स्टेबिलिटी नंबर? इट इज दैट लोड एट विच द मिक्स विल गेट फेल्ड. We carry out the Marshall test, and in that Marshall test we first make a specimen with the help of my bitumen. Okay, पूरे mix का एक specimen बनाने का, and then we have to do a test on it and we apply load on it and we see how much load it can bear. So the load at which it is going to get filled is your Marshall stability number. It is in kg only, right? Load is in kg only. Okay, so this graph will look like this. Suppose if this is my Marshall stability number and this is the percent bitumen. This is the percent bitumen. Okay, so as the bitumen increases, obviously the load that it can bear increases, but after one point it start decreasing. If you will further increase the bitumen content, the load bearing capacity will start decreasing. Okay, next graph is of the flow value and the percent bitumen. What is flow value? Flow value is when you are applying the load during the Marshall stability test. So what was the deformation? What was the deformation in the specimen basically before it gets filled, right? Before it gets filled. So this is flow value and this is percent bitumen. So as the bitumen increases, obviously what is going to happen, guys? Its flow value, the value with which it can deform, it will also increase. It is also increase, right? Tokir, no, you are not late. I have just given the introduction. It's fine. Then we have another representation between the unit weight and the bitumen. Unit weight and the percent bitumen. It is exactly like the same which you have seen in your soil mechanics. Like it goes somewhere here and then you get an optimum value and then it start decreasing, right? It is exactly same. Then we have volume of voids, percent volume of voids. Then we have percent volume of voids and the percent bitumen Now please tell me, guys, as the bitumen will increase, what is going to happen with the volume of voids? Anybody? Hi Somajit, nice to see you. Same to you. Thank you so much. Please tell me, as I am increasing the bitumen is going to stay where? Initially total number of people staying in my hotel were 30 people were there. Now more people are coming. So what is going to happen? The number of room which are vacant, they will start getting decrease, right? So obviously what is going to happen? The volume of voids, it start getting decreases because bitumen is entering in that. Very good, Fatima. And now the last one is your volume filled with bitumen. So now I am asking you, please tell me if more number of guests are coming, so the number filled with guests will increase, right? Number of rooms filled with guests will increase, right? Will increase, right? So that is why it gets increased. That is why it gets increased. It gets increased. So this is the graph. Now why I have told you this? Because with the help of these graphs, we have to get the value of optimum binder content. Optimum binder content. Now how to get the optimum binder content? Optimum binder content is the average of three values. What are those three values? What are those three values? So the first value is percentage bitumen corresponding to maximum Marshall stability number. So suppose this is the maximum Marshall stability number, right? So this, say for example, this is B1 percentage. Okay. Second is percent bitumen corresponding to maximum unit weight. So from here, this will be how much? B2 percentage, say for example, and then corresponding to 4% of volume of void. So say for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding to this, whatever will be the percentage bitumen, say for example, this is B3%. So optimum binder content is B1% plus B2% plus B3% divided by 3. This is how you get the value of optimum binder content. Why we done all these things? Basically, we have done this because I'm getting the bitumen mix design. How much bitumen I have to add? How I know that? मुझे कैसे पता? I can know that with the help of all these graphs and from where I'm getting these graphs? I'm getting these graphs with the help of Marshall stability number test. Quick revision of your complete highway material, you can say. थोड़ा सा मतलब, ठीक है? Now let's solve some question and let's see if we can solve it or not. Okay guys, are you ready? If you're ready, can I again have a quick heart sign in the comment box? Till then I'll just have a drinks break. हार्ट साइन बनता है, आई थिंक अगर समझ आया तो हार्ट साइन बनता है, राइट? नहीं समझ आया तो डाउट पूछिएगा आप. चलिए, लेट्स बिगिन द क्वेश्चंस नाउ. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. This is the first question and let's try to solve it. Okay, let's try to solve it quickly. And sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, as soon as you join the session, do not forget to like the video. It is a kind and humble request. Okay, chale. What does this question say? And also, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. The volume of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, filler and bitumen in a mix is 321.3, 475.43, 132.45, 100.25 centimeter cube respectively. If the total volume of mix is this much, the percentage voids filled with bitumen, basically they are asking you the value of VFB. What was VFB? VFB was total number of, you can say the volume of bitumen, or just simply say volume of bitumen, okay, in percentage, divide by total space available. So in my hotel total room were 50, so here also total, so it will be what? Volume of voids plus volume which are filled with bitumen. So what I need here is, I need VB, I need volume of voids, right? I can get the value of VB because I have everything, but the thing is how to get the volume of void. So for that, first let's get the value of percentage bitumen by volume. So percentage bitumen by volume would be how much, guys? कितना है bitumen? Bitumen is 100.25. तो 100.25 divided by total volume is how much? 1075, and the percentage from here will be how much? Thank you so much, Sakir. How much will be the percentage from here, guys? Can you please tell me? Full power, no laziness in the class. 1075, and this would give us 9.32 percentage. 9.32 percentage, right? Now volume of voids will be how much, guys? Volume of void will be how much? It will be total volume minus all this, whatever we have. We have 321.23 plus 47.5.43 plus 132.45 plus 100.25, right? This is the total, whatever the mixture we have. So ये कितना होगा? 321.23 plus 475.43 plus 132.45 plus 100.25, ठीक है, minus 1075. So this should be 45.64. 45.64 is the volume of voids, but I want the percentage. How much will be the percentage? Percentage will be 45.64 divided by 1075. And how much is this will be? How much this will be? 45.64 divided by 1075 into 100. Sir, this will be 4.25. 4.25 percentage. Now everything is simple. So VFB value will be 9.32 divided by 4.25 plus 9.32 into 100, since I want the answer in percentage. So this will be how much? This will be 9.32. This will be 9.32 divided by 9.32 plus 4.25, and guys, the answer should be 68.68. 68.68 percentage. How many of you are getting the same answer? And please tell me if you are having a doubt, then I'll just clear the doubt for you. Everybody, please tell me, did you got the same answer? And if not, then what is the doubt? Please ask me. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question. Okay. Next question is, which one of the following represents the hardest grade of bitumen as per the penetration value? So guys, these are the penetration values: 30 by 40, 50 by 60, 70 by 80, 80 by 90. Basically, they are the ranges, right, of what? See, in a penetration test, we take this small mold and we put the bitumen in this particular mold, okay? And then we bring the needle, then we bring the needle of the penetrometer at the top, and then we make this needle to free fall. This needle have this weight of 100 gram, and this needle will do the free fall. And after the free fall, we wait for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, we measure the reading. So if dial gauge is showing us the reading of 20, then it means the penetration is of 2 mm, right? It means it is of 2 mm. Okay, so I can represent it by 20 by 30 means 2 mm to 3 mm was the penetration. So guys, as you can understand, harder the bitumen, lesser will be the penetration value, right? Harder the bitumen, lesser will be the penetration value. So out of all these, which one have the lesser value of the penetration? A. So it is the hardest. It is the hardest grade of bitumen. It was an easy question, I know. Next question. 10 centimeter bitumen concrete having cohesion meter value of 65 in equivalent to 8 centimeter gravel subbase. The cohesion meter value of gravel subbase is. This question is from basically a cohesionometer, right? But yes, we can solve it here. Guys, there is a relation. There is a relation between the thickness and the cohesionometer value, and that relation is this, and the relation is this. So with the help of this, you can quickly tell me what should be the answer. Everybody, you know this relation. So you can say that T1 by T2 will be equals to C2 by C1 raised to the power 1 by 5. Now you have 3 values, you need the 4th one. So now it is very easy for you. So C2 value will give you the C2 will be T1 by T2 raised to the power 5 into C1. Sahi hai kya? Yes, it is. So 10 by 8, I'm not converting the units because they are anyways, I'm taking the ratio, so they will be cancelled out. Power 5 into C1 value is how much? 65 it is given. So guys, from here the value of C2 should be, answer, come on. From here the value of C2 should be how much? Brilliant. So from here the value of C2 should be 198.36, which is option A, which is option A. Brilliant. Very good, Madhvi. Very good. Now the next question is this. Come on, solve this. So basically they are saying a bitumen mix having maximum theoretical specific gravity of 2.5 gate 21 में only highway का weight is approximately कितना होगा? सर अभी तक का जो रहा था दैट इज 6 to 9 मार्क्स, एंड आई कांट से इन गेट कितना होगा, इस साल कितना होगा, आई कांट टेल यू. प्रीवियसली तो यही था 6 to 9 वेरी करता है. A bitumen mix having a maximum theoretical specific gravity of 2.5. The bitumen content is 7% by weight of the mix and its specific gravity is 1. The specific gravity of the combined aggregate are. Come on guys, very good question. Quickly tell me now. Come on, everybody. Here you have to use this concept of that total volume will be equals to volume of bitumen plus volume of aggregate. Please use that concept and get the answer. Come on. Let's see how many of you can do this. I'm also trying to solve it. Please see here. So guys, total volume I know will be equals to the volume of bitumen plus very good Aman, very good Sonali and Toki, very good, and volume of aggregate. ठीक है, aggregate. So how I can say volume? Basically, see what is specific gravity, guys. Weight upon volume, right? Weight upon volume give you the unit weight, and then with the help of that unit weight of the mix divided by the unit weight of the standard fluid. So in liquid it is water only, right? So from there, if you will try to get the value, you can also write it as in percentage. If you want to write, it can be written as 100 upon the theoretical specific gravity of the mix equals to 7 upon the specific gravity of the bitumen plus 93 upon the specific gravity of the aggregate. So now you can solve this. It has become very simple now. It is 100 by specific gravity is how much, guys? It is 2.5 plus 7 upon equals to 7 upon how much is the GB value? It should be 1 plus how much is this? 93 by GA, and I want this value of GA. So from here the value of GA should be 2.82, I suppose. Right or not? Right or not? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Everybody, did you got the answer? If you have got the answer, it's fine. But if in case you have a doubt, kindly please ask me the doubt. Everybody, kind request. And you can solve this question then. What they are saying is the theoretical maximum and the mass density are given. If the percentage of bitumen is this, calculate the percentage voids in mineral aggregate. Come on. We can do this. Go for it. Sir, NCL में अभी रिकॉर्ड बनाया है, उसमें सिविल वाले अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Payal, I think I'm not aware of this, but you can watch a video. It is like some time before, I guess 1 hour before, Shubham sir have took the video on this particular topic. You can check the video. I have no clue. 2.8, right? Haan, so how much I'm getting? Yeah, 2.8. Correct. Very good, Toki. Now this question, everybody. The theoretical and mass density are given to us. Very good. So theoretical density, specific gravity is 2.445 and it for the mix is 2.385. Very good. And volume of कितना bitumen का दिया हुआ है percentage, how much? 10.32 percentage, and they are asking us VMA. Basically they are asking us total number of rooms in my hotel. So they will be how much? VV percentage khali room plus the room which are filled with my guest. My guest is bitumen, right? So this I have, this I want. So I have just told you that with the help of GT and GM you can get the value of VV. How? GT minus GM upon GT will give you the value of percentage volume of voids, and GT is 2.445 minus 2.385 divided by 2.445 into 100. How much will be the value, guys, from here? Percentage VV. Percentage VV, how much it should be? Let me solve it. So 2.445 minus 2.385 divided by 2.445, and this should be 2.45 percentage. 2.45 percentage. Very good. So this is 2.45 and this is 10.32. So this should be how much? It should be 12.77. Oh my god, that's the first option. Exact answer we are getting as 12.77 percentage. Anybody, any doubt, please quickly respond. None? Very good. Next question. Alright, this question is from the angularity number. You have to get the value of aggregates angularity number. Quickly. So the angularity number, let me tell you this, angularity number can be determined by the formula. Angularity number can be determined by the formula. Very good, Aman. Very good, Fatima. 67 minus 100 W upon C into GA. Specific gravity of the aggregate you have to do here, right? Right. And then what is W here? What is W here? What is W here? That's the weight of the aggregate. That's the weight of the aggregate. Let me write down 67 minus. How I can get the value of the aggregate? I know the cylinder weight is this much. Weight of cylinder and aggregate is this much. So this will be 2775 grams minus 525 grams. Okay. Divided by C. C will be 1845. How much is the water is there? Minus 525, okay, water, into aggregate is 2.67. How much you are getting from here? The angularity number that you should get from here is 3.15 percentage. So it is somewhere around 3% only. So A is the right answer, right? It was not relevant to bitumen, but yeah, it was relevant to aggregate. So yeah, you should know this one thing, okay? This is one of my favorite questions, so I request you all to please solve this question very, very quickly. Come on everybody, and let's see how many of you can get the value. I have already discussed this one thing in the class just before the session has started. I mean, I have started the question, so I expect that you can tell me the answer. Come on everyone, solve it. We have the graphs. I'll go so that you can see this total voids and bitumen or everything. We have the graph, and with the help of the graph you have to tell me what is the optimum bitumen content, or basically optimum binder content. You can tell. Full power response आना चाहिए इस पे, because we have discussed this. I have told you have to take the average of 3 values, and if you remember what were those 3 values, you can get the answer. Then you can get the answer. What were those 3 values? If you remember, then only you can get the answer. The first thing was the bitumen content corresponding to maximum stability number. Corresponding to maximum stability number. So this is my maximum stability number. Corresponding to this, I am getting the value exactly in the middle. So it will be 6%. It will be 6%. Second, the bitumen content corresponding to maximum unit weight. Maximum unit weight means here. So it is how much? It is 6.5. Very good. And then bitumen content corresponding to 4% volume of void. Okay, so 4% is this. Corresponding to this, I am getting as 6.5 percentage. Alright guys, so what will be the optimum binder content now? How much will be the optimum binder content now? It will be 6 plus 6 plus 6.5 plus 6.5 divided by 3. How much we are getting from here? 13 plus 6 divided by 3. It should be 6.33. It should be 6.33 percentage, and that is why the option C is correct. How many of you have got the answer, and how many of you still have any doubt? Please ask me if you have a doubt, and please tell me if things are clear quickly. I hope it is clear, right? Perfect. Very good, Sonali, Fatima, Madhvi, Sagar. थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया दोस्त क्वेश्चन आंसर आपका. Aman, Tokir, brilliant. Okay, so this is your homework question. Please take the screenshot. If you want, I'll go also in case. Please take the screenshot of this question. This is a homework question, and you have to tell me this answer in the comment box. Okay, in the comment box you can tell me what is the answer to this particular homework question, right? Tomorrow I'll just tell you the name of the person who have given the right answer. Okay, I'll just bring the screenshot. I'll place his or her name here, right, just beside this question. All right guys, perfect. So I think this is these were the questions which I had to discuss, right? And after this, okay, just give me a second. Let me complete all this, and then I'll tell you some more things. So Gradeup Super subscription, basically if you want, you can get the Gradeup Super subscription, and if you take the Gradeup Super subscription, you will get access to all these courses which are right now going on, okay, which are available right now, and you can sit in any of the courses. Gear Up batch is for those students who want to build their concepts. Rank Up is for those who want to improve their rank, and then Vision is for those who want to, you know, prepare for GATE and ESE 2022. You will get technical and non-technical, both the syllabus. Notes you will get, quizzes you will get after every class. Classes will be live, but you can also watch the recorded form, and you can also download them and watch them without internet also. These are the faculty members of civil engineering at Gradeup, as you know them mostly, right? And then these are the superheroes of Gradeup. And then green card is for those students who want to get the access to the test series. तो अगर आपको टेस्ट सीरीज की एक्सेस चाहिए, then you just have to get this Gradeup green card, and you will get the access to all the test series which are related to GATE, ESE, and same examination of those level. This is the price of the Gradeup Super subscription. In case you are interested, you can right now enroll yourself, and you can take or you can enjoy the sessions of all the batches which are right now going on. If you need any other information, just call on this number, or if you are shy enough to talk on a phone, then you can simply send an email to this email ID. Right now, the question is, transportation engineering feel little bit tough, sir, and to memorize formula. Please, I can understand that yes, it is, but it is slightly, you know, let me tell you, the transportation engineering is very interesting subject, and it is that type of subject in which you can literally see in real life that how thing moves. Okay, whatever you study, you can literally relate it to the practical life. Intentionally or intentionally, you are a part of highway engineering since your birth, right? So if you can relate them, then it will be very, very good. And how to remember the formulas? Once you will solve the previous year question once, twice, or thrice, then eventually what will happen, unintentionally you are solving those questions more number of time which are coming, you know, most of the time in the GATE examination. Unintentionally you are doing this, so unintentionally you will revise again and again and again and again the same formula, and that formula is important for you. So you don't have to revise all those formulas, you know, just revise those which are important, right, which have some importance. ऐसा नहीं है सारा कुछ भी याद कर लिया, ठीक है sir, right? Perfect. So thank you so much guys. I think it's time when I have to say goodbye to you all for this session, but I'll see you tomorrow as well. But till then, you have to do this one thing for me, and that is just take care of yourself, take care of your family, drink water regularly as it is very important for our health, and just prep smart, stay safe, go Gradeup. I have another session on Gradeup Civil Champion YouTube channel at 9 PM for fluid mechanics, minor and major losses. In case you are interested, you can join me there as well. Till then, thank you so much, and signing off.